This is an ultra classic of Milanese cooking. Veal shank, slow cooked, served over a saffron risotto with gremolata, which is a very quick parsley sauce. This comes to us from chef Iacopo Falai of Casa restaurant in New York. So Rori, as the person who tested this dish in a home kitchen, what do you think is most important for home cooks to know when they go to attempt this at home?
I think that they should know that it's definitely going to take a while.
But so like how long?
Around 3 hours, I'd say. But it's more of like a sear it, set it, watch some Netflix, and come back and it's done sort of dish.
It's my kind of dish.
Yeah, definitely.
Especially for winter.
Yeah.
So as far as the risotto goes, risotto can be a little bit intimidating to some people, I think. Do you have any thoughts on that?
Everybody just calm down. Risotto is very easy to make.
It's gonna be okay.
Add some broth, let it evaporate, add some more to hydrate the rice.
Totally.
Yeah.
Well, as far as the wine pairing with this dish, Carrie Lynn Strong, who's the wine director at Casa, pairs this with a Barolo, which is classic with Osso Buco.
The fattiness and the sort of velvety texture of the meat really contrasts nicely with the wine, and it sort of helps to wash it down.
Yeah, those tannins in a Barolo are so stiff.
Definitely.
Even though there's also that core of sweet fruit, I feel like the tannins are totally key in keeping you coming back for more with this very rich dinner.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing a little bit about your experience cooking this dish at home.
Of course.
Cheers.
Cheers.